Are you tired of experiencing painful leg cramps, especially at night? You're not alone. In today's video, we'll share the top 4 foods that can help prevent leg cramps, so you can get a good night of sleep and stay active during the day. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that support healthy blood flow, nerve function, and overall leg health. Don't miss out on this valuable information. Watch this video till the end and let us know in the comments which food is your favorite. Let's begin. Number 4. Spinach. This leafy green vegetable is a true nutritional powerhouse. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals that can help strengthen your legs and prevent cramps, spinach is rich in magnesium, which plays a crucial role in regulating muscle contractions. It also contains folate and vitamin C, which support healthy blood flow and oxygen delivery to your legs. Additionally, spinach is a good source of potassium, which helps maintain proper fluid balance in the body and prevents dehydration, a common cause of leg cramps. To incorporate more spinach into your diet, try adding it to salads, soups, or even smoothies. 3. Salmon. This fatty fish is a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet that can provide numerous health benefits, including stronger bones and teeth. Salmon is rich in vitamin D, which is essential for maintaining healthy bones and preventing osteoporosis. It also contains omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can reduce joint pain and stiffness. Additionally, salmon is a good source of protein, which is necessary for building and repairing tissues, including those in your legs. Aim to include salmon in your diet at least twice a week. 2 bananas. This popular fruit is a convenient and tasty snack that can help prevent leg cramps due to its high potassium content. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps maintain proper fluid balance in the body and prevents dehydration, a common cause of leg cramps. Bananas also contain magnesium, which regulates muscle contractions, and vitamin C, which supports healthy blood flow. For best results, eat bananas in moderation, as too much potassium can lead to other health issues. 1. Chia seeds. These small seeds are packed with nutrients that can make a big difference in preventing leg cramps. Chia seeds are a great source of fiber, which helps improve digestion and prevent constipation, a condition that can contribute to leg cramps. They are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can reduce joint pain and stiffness. Additionally, chia seeds contain essential minerals such as magnesium and calcium, which are necessary for maintaining healthy bones and preventing osteoporosis. To incorporate chia seeds into your diet, add them to smoothies or make chia pudding. Leg cramps can be a frustrating and uncomfortable experience, but by incorporating these 4 superfoods into your daily diet, you can help prevent them from happening. From spinach to salmon, bananas, and chia seeds, each food offers unique nutrients that support healthy blood flow, nerve function, and overall leg health. Remember, a well-balanced diet and regular exercise are key to maintaining strong and healthy legs as you age. So don't wait any longer. Start incorporating these foods into your meals and feel the difference. Say goodbye to leg cramps and hello to stronger, healthier legs with our top 4 foods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on notifications to get notified when we post new videos. Now over to you. What are your go-to foods for preventing leg cramps? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you've tried any of the foods mentioned in this video, please share your experiences and any tips you may have. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Are you looking for a natural way to boost your immune system and improve your overall health? Look no further than the Immune Boosting Foods. Our collection of easy-to-make recipes features the best ingredients to strengthen your immune system and keep you feeling your best. From delicious soups and salads to snacks and desserts, we've got you covered. Our recipes are not only healthy, but also tasty and satisfying. So say goodbye to boring, healthy food and say hello to delicious meals that will fuel your body and boost your immunity. And with our convenient meal planning and shopping list features, you'll be able to get healthy and nutritious meals on the table in no time. Join the healthy eating movement today and start reaping the benefits of a stronger immune system and a healthier life. Welcome back, everyone. Are you tired of experiencing painful muscle cramps that can strike at any time? In today's video, we'll be sharing 4 incredible foods that can help prevent muscle cramps. so you can stay active and feel your best. These foods are not only delicious and easy to incorporate into your daily diet, but they also offer additional health benefits. So get ready to discover some simple and effective ways to keep those cramps away naturally. Before we dive in, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. If you find our videos helpful, please support us. Now, let's explore the 4 amazing foods that can help prevent muscle cramps. No. 1. Potassium-rich foods such as bananas and avocados. Potassium is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining proper muscle function. It helps regulate the fluid balance in your body and prevents muscle cramps by balancing out the effects of sodium. Including potassium-rich foods in your diet, such as bananas and avocados, can help reduce the risk of cramps. Bananas are a convenient and portable source of potassium, while avocados can be added to salads, smoothies, or used in guacamole to boost your potassium intake. Number 2. Magnesium-rich foods such as spinach and almonds. Magnesium is another crucial mineral that helps relax muscles and prevent cramps. It aids in the production of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, which is the main energy currency of cells, including muscle cells. By consuming magnesium-rich foods like spinach and almonds, you can support proper muscle function and reduce the likelihood of cramps. Spinach is a versatile leafy green vegetable that can be eaten raw or cooked, while almonds can be enjoyed as a snack or added to various dishes. 3. Foods rich in vitamin D, such as fatty fish and fortified foods. Vitamin D is a nutrient that is essential for bone health, but it also plays a role in muscle function. Studies have shown that people with low vitamin D levels are more likely to experience muscle cramps. Therefore, incorporating foods rich in vitamin D, such as fatty fish and fortified foods, can be beneficial. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines are excellent sources of vitamin D. Fortified foods such as milk and orange juice are also good options. However, it's important to check the labels to ensure that you're getting a significant amount of vitamin D from fortified foods. Number 4. Whole grains and complex carbohydrates. Staying hydrated is crucial for preventing muscle cramps. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps maintain the fluid balance in your body and prevents dehydration, which can contribute to cramps. Additionally, consuming foods high in water content, such as watermelon and cucumbers, can help keep you hydrated. Watermelon is not only hydrating but also rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, while cucumbers are a good source of hydration and vitamins. Muscle cramps can be uncomfortable and debilitating, but by incorporating these 4 amazing foods into your daily diet, you can significantly reduce your risk of experiencing them. Whether it's the potassium in bananas and avocados, magnesium in spinach and almonds, vitamin D from fatty fish and fortified foods, or the hydrating properties of whole grains, complex carbohydrates, watermelon and cucumbers, there are plenty of delicious and nutritious options to choose from. Not only will your muscles thank you, but you'll also be providing your body with essential nutrients and hydration for overall better health and well-being. We hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed the topic, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. We value your feedback and would love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Stay healthy and active, and we'll see you in the next video. If you want to become part of our community and support our work, please consider making a donation through the provided link. Support will help us continue creating informative and helpful content. Thank you for watching and take care.